This isn't just built to travel, it's built to redefine how luxury moves. Welcome back to Auto Industry, where luxury meets the open road. Today we're doing something truly special. This is the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X8 camper. A machine so massive, so overbuilt, and so over-the-top luxurious that calling it a motorhome almost feels like an understatement. This is a rolling mansion on 8 wheels, and we're going to break down every single detail for you right now. Let's get into it. Standing in front of the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X, the first thing that hits you is pure presence. This machine stretches 12 m in length, stands 3.2 m tall, and measures 2.5 m wide. It doesn't just enter a room, it owns the room. The front fascia is commanding and ultra-modern, dominated by a massive flat grille panel finished in gloss black with the iconic GMC badge rendered in bold red chrome at the center. Surrounded by razor-sharp, T-shaped LED headlights that cut through the dark with surgical precision. Moving along the side, the coach body is wrapped in a flawless gloss black finish with panoramic windows running the full length, offering a view into what we'll explore inside shortly. While 3 chrome multi-spoke axles, because yes, this is a full 8x8 configuration, sit beneath the body like something straight out of a military-grade luxury fantasy. The rear is equally dramatic. A wide panel dominated again by the GMC badge, flanked by L-shaped LED tail lights with a deep red glow, dual quad exhaust tips at each corner finished in polished chrome, and a chrome bumper that grounds the whole design. Every angle of this vehicle communicates one thing: this is not a compromise, and once you step beyond that bold exterior, everything changes completely. Step inside and you are immediately transported. The living area is configured like a private aviation lounge. 2 plush gray fabric sofas face each other along the full length of the cabin, each dressed with textured white and gray throw pillows separated by a polished pedestal table. The flooring is a premium light wood-look vinyl that flows seamlessly from the front to the rear, and recessed LED lighting runs along the base of every cabinet and sofa, giving the entire space an ambient warmth that feels nothing short of cinematic. Moving toward the kitchen, you get a full-size residential setup. A 4-burner gas stove with digital display and a built-in convection oven below, a stainless steel under-counter dishwasher, a microwave with range hood overhead, a deep stainless sink with a high-arc gooseneck faucet, and granite countertops finished in dark ash gray. The backsplash behind the stove is a stunning subway tile in matte gray. The refrigerator is a full side-by-side unit packed with every shelf and crisper drawer you'd expect in a luxury home. And inside those overhead cabinetry units, you'll find a fully stocked set of white ceramic plates, bowls, stainless cookware, crystal clear glasses, and all the utensils you need. The bedroom at the rear is a proper sanctuary. A king-size mattress with quilted white bedding and 6-layered pillows sits beneath a channel-tufted dark gray headboard flanked by chrome sconce lights, and a flat-screen TV mounted overhead inside. The cabinetry and the bathroom, it punches way above its class. A wall-hung toilet, a glass-enclosed shower with a heated chrome towel rack, a seamlessly integrated oval vessel sink with LED backlit mirror, and built-in recessed shelving. The entire interior speaks one unified language: refined gray, clean white, and polished chrome. Under the hood, or more accurately beneath this rolling fortress, the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X is powered by a high-output 6.6L Duramax turbocharged diesel V8, producing an estimated 445 horsepower and over 910 lb-ft of torque, mated to a heavy-duty 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Paired with a purpose-built 8x8 all-wheel drive drivetrain, this powertrain delivers incredible traction on virtually any surface, from mountain highways to remote gravel terrain. Air suspension with electronically controlled ride height management keeps the cabin level regardless of load or road condition, while the triaxle configuration distributes weight evenly for a remarkably stable and composed ride. Especially impressive given this vehicle weighs in at an estimated 14 to 16 metric tons. Safety on a vehicle this size is not optional, it's engineered in at every level. The 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X comes standard with a 360 degrees camera surround view system with blind spot monitoring on all three axles, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, and a forward collision alert system. The chassis is reinforced with a full steel ladder frame designed to handle severe loading conditions. An air disc brakes on all 8 wheels ensure controlled, confident stopping, even at full gross vehicle weight. A tire pressure monitoring system tracks all 8 wheels in real time, and the coach body itself is built to meet RV safety standards for fire resistance, smoke detection, and emergency egress. Technology inside the Savana Ultra X is exactly what you'd expect from a flagship 2026 GMC product. The cockpit features a large touchscreen infotainment display running GMC's latest Infotainment 3 Plus system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, phone integration, and real-time traffic navigation. The fully digital instrument cluster gives the driver a clear configurable view of speed, RPM, and vehicle diagnostics in a sleek blue-lit display. The steering wheel is a multifunction unit packed with controls for cruise, lane assist, media, phone calls, and driver assistance modes. Throughout the cabin, the smart home-style control panels allow passengers to manage lighting zones, climate, window shades, and entertainment from anywhere inside the coach. An onboard generator system ensures full electrical independence from the grid, and satellite connectivity options round out the tech package for remote travel use. Now let's talk numbers and brace yourself. The 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X8 X8 camper is a fully custom coach-built vehicle, which means pricing is not set on a dealer sticker. Based on comparable luxury motor coach builds of this specification, full 8x8 drivetrain, tri-axle chassis, residential-grade interior, and custom exterior finish, you are looking at an estimated starting price of anywhere between $800,000 and $1.2 million US dollars. Full custom builds with bespoke interior packages, upgraded audiovisual systems, extended warranties, and specialty paint or wrap finishes can push that number north of $1.5 million without breaking a sweat. From a financial standpoint, owning a vehicle like this comes with costs well beyond the purchase price. Annual insurance for a custom motor coach of this class typically runs between $8,000 and $20,000 depending on usage, coverage level, and storage location. Fuel economy on a vehicle this heavy is estimated around 5 to 8 miles per gallon in diesel, which means long-haul trips will require a serious fuel budget. Scheduled maintenance on a tri-axle diesel coach, including oil, filters, tire rotation, brake service, and air suspension checks, can run $3,000 to $8,000 per service interval. Storage when not in use at a premium RV facility ranges from $300 to $800 per month. These are the real-world costs of luxury on wheels. So what makes the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X truly stand out from the competition? First, it is one of the only coach-built motorhomes in the world, riding a true 8x8 all-wheel drive platform, giving it off-road capability that most luxury motorhomes can only dream of. Second, the interior quality and spatial design rivals the finest hotel suites with full residential appliances and genuine premium materials throughout. Third, the GMC badge and underlying drivetrain bring factory-level engineering reliability to a segment that is otherwise dominated by bespoke fabricators of varying quality. Fourth, the aerodynamic body design and modern LED lighting signature give this vehicle a visual impact that is genuinely unlike anything else currently on the road. This is not just transportation, it is a statement. In the end, this isn't just about getting somewhere, it's about how you choose to live along the way. And that wraps up our full review of the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra X8 X8 camper here on Auto Industry. If this is the kind of content that gets your engine running, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a drop. Drop a comment below. Would you take one of these out on the open road, or is this pure dream territory for you? Either way, we want to hear from you. Until next time, stay luxurious, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.